Hi everyone, I am Sean Kumar from CSE Department of AC Engineering College. Now let us know about one of the automation testing tool, Selenium. Before we go in detail about Selenium, let us know what is meant by testing. Testing is the process to estimate the productivity and quality of the software. Software testing is a process of evaluating and verifying the software that if meets the user requirements or not. The main purpose of the testing is used to detect the bugs and also used for the debugging of bugs. Testing is mainly of two types, manual testing and automated testing. Now let us know the differences between manual testing and automation testing. Manual testing is performed manually, whereas automation testing is performed using the automation tools and scripts. Manual testing is time consuming and also less efficient, whereas automated testing is done in very less time with greater efficiency. Manual testing is very hands-on and it also requires the QA engineers and experts involved to do the manual testing, whereas automation testing involves testers to write the testing scripts and also it is done using the automation tools. Now let us know about some of the automation testing tools. These are the top 15 automation testing tools. In this, few are the licensed automation testing tools, whereas few are the open source automation testing tools. Now let us know one of the open source automation testing tool, Selenium IDE. Selenium is one of the most widely used open source web UI automation testing suite. Selenium was originally developed by Jason Huggins in 2004 as an internal tool at ThoughtWorks. Selenium supports automation across different browsers, platforms and also supports on multiple operating systems. Now let us know some of the features about the Selenium IDE. Selenium is a web-based automation testing. It does not require any manual operation to perform the testing. It is supported on multiple operating systems like Windows, Ubuntu and Mac. And it is also supported across multiple browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Selenium also supports multiple programming languages like Python, Ruby, HTML, etc. And it also supports multiple frameworks. Selenium is mostly used because it is an open sourced IDE. Now let us know more about Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is a Firefox plugin that lets the testers to record their actions that are need to be tested further. It provides the GUI interface for Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, which is used to learn and use the Selenium IDE. Selenium provides graphical user interface for users to record their actions in Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. In Selenium, the recorded scripts can be converted into various programming languages like Python, Ruby, and those can be converted into scripts and can be used in other browsers as well. Now, let us see the execution of Selenium IDE. After the download is completed, it is automatically added to the Google Chrome. Here we can see that Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. Now, from the extensions, open the Selenium IDE. Here we have the few options like record a new test in a new project, open an existing project, create a new project and close Selenium IDE. Click on record a new test in a new project. Here we have to provide the project name. Click on OK. Now let us go through the Selenium IDE. This is the toolbar. Here we have the few options like run all tests, run a particular test and also test execution speed. Here we have the options like disable breakpoints, pause on exception and the record button. This is the test suite panel. Here whatever the test cases that we have created will be displayed here. This is the test script panel. Whatever the actions that we have performed in a particular website will be shown here. This is the log panel. After the successful execution of the recorded test cases, the result will be displayed in the log panel. After the execution, if a particular step has any bug, it will be displayed in a red color in the log panel. Now let us enter a URL. The URL must be in a standard form containing HTTPS. After providing the URL, click on the record button so that you will be redirected to the URL website that you have provided. Here we can see the Selenium IDE is recording. Now let me perform few actions here. Whatever the actions that we are performing here will be displayed at the bottom right. After completing the recording, you have to minimize the website and stop the recording. Provide a test name for your project. Click on OK. These are the actions that we have performed on the calculator.com website. Now click on Run All Tests so that you will be redirected to the same website that you have performed the actions. Here you can see the actions that you have performed on the website. This is done automatically as Selenium is a automated testing tool. In the background, you can see that all the test cases are in green color. That means there are no bugs in the test that we have recorded. And also in the log panel, we can see calculator completed successfully. In this way, we can record the test cases in Selenium IDE. Thank you.